We bring you the latest updates from the Pna Newsroom. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s cabinet meeting today focuses on ways to improve the services of departments and offices under the executive branch. This is the third cabinet meeting Marcos has presided since assuming office on June 30 and his second in-person meeting with his cabinet members. Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte is set to present her plans for the mandatory face-to-face classes by November. Meanwhile, two priority issues will be discussed by Social Welfare Secretary Erwin Tulfo. First is the measure that will be undertaken by his department to fast-track the distribution of assistance, and second is the need to prioritize the welfare of children, especially those who are in conflict with the law. To address the increasing prices of fertilizer, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. says government-to-government talks will be pursued to lower its cost. During his meeting at the Bureau of Soils and Water Management in Quezon City, Marcos said the government is looking into communicating with China, Indonesia, United Arab Emirates, Malaysia, and Russia for the procurement of fertilizers in bulk. He also cited the need to urgently address the looming food crisis as well as other pressing issues such as ways to increase rice production in the country and the reorganization of the Department of Agriculture and its attached agencies. In other news, health officials urge the public to stay vigilant against dengue as the number of cases have surged this year. Data from the Department of Health showed the country recorded over 65,000 dengue cases from January 1 to July 2 this year. This is around 83% higher than those from the same period last year. A total of 274 people died this year due to dengue. 13 out of 17 regions also exceeded the dengue epidemic threshold. Meanwhile, the Private Hospitals Association of the Philippines, or PHAPI, said dengue cases are still controllable as patients can be brought to regular hospital beds, unlike COVID-19 patients. It also reported an increase in dengue-related admissions in Central Luzon, Calabarzon, Visayas, and Zamboanga Peninsula. In sports, 17-year-old Filipina weightlifter Ramos came up with a sterling performance in the Asian Youth and Junior Weightlifting Championships. Ramos bags 4 gold, 1 silver, and 1 bronze medals in the women's 45-kilogram category at the Uzbekistan Sports Complex in Tashkent City. The Philippines now has 6 gold medals, counting the 2 gold medals from Angeline Colonia in the youth women's 40 kilograms category last Sunday. She won the gold medal in snatch, clean, and jerk, and total to clinch the youth division title. Her 4th gold medal came from the snatch in the junior division. She took the bronze medal in the clean and jerk and bagged the silver medal with a total lift of 153 kilograms. Ramos is a grade 10 student from Pna National High School. She retained the women's 45-kilogram title at the World Youth Weightlifting Championships in Leon City, Guanajuato, Mexico last month. Last year, she was crowned champion at the tournament in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And that's the latest from the Pna Newsroom. Stay tuned for more updates on the biggest stories throughout the day. I am William Theo. Good day.